Hello everyone and welcome to the UFC book. This short video is all about UFC Fight Night Font vs Garbrandt, where I am gonna tell you everything you need to know before watching this event. Here I will just talk about those fights which are most important for their divisions and you shouldn't miss them because the impact of the result of these fights is going to be huge in near future. Let's start with the headlining bout of the event. So it is between former UFC champion Cody Garbrandt vs Rob Font. Right now it is one of the most important fight for the bantamweight division to determine the next title contender. Rob Font holds the record of 18 wins and 4 losses and is number 3rd ranked bantamweight. He defeated former title contender Marlon Moraes in his last fight, which was the best win of his career, and now he is on a 3-fight win streak. If we talk about Cody Garbrandt, he is ranked as number 4 and holds the record of 12 wins and 3 losses. He defeated Dominic Cruz in a great fashion to claim the bantamweight title back in 2016. And then he had to suffer 3 back-to-back losses. He returned again in UFC 250 and out-cold Rafael Asuncao in the very last second of round number 2, which was nominated as one of the best knockouts in 2020. Like many other UFC fans, I will definitely be cheering for Cody Garbrandt. Well, talking about the co-main event, which is strawweight bout between number 3rd ranked Yan Xiaonan and number 4th ranked Carla Esparza. Xiaonan, who holds the records of 13 wins and only 1 loss, has never lost since 2010 and is undefeated in UFC with the winning streak of 6. Xiaonan secured all of her UFC career wins by unanimous decision and beat former title contender Claudia in her last fight. Carla Esparza, on the other hand, holds the record of 18 wins and 6 losses and is on a 4-fight winning streak where she defeated Marina Rodriguez in her last fight. Esparza defeated the current champ Rose Namajunas to become the first ever UFC women's strawweight champion back in 2014. As both fighters are very skillful and on winning streaks, so it is difficult to guess who wins, but whoever wins will most probably get a future title shot. There is another watchable fight in this card, which is a middleweight bout between Jack Hermansson and Edmen Shahbazyan. Jack Hermansson is number 7 ranked middleweight and holds the record of 21 wins and 6 losses. His last fight against Marvin Vettori was a fight of the year contender, and that fight got a record of most strikes landed in a single fight in middleweight history. Edmen Shahbazyan, on the other hand, is number 10th ranked middleweight and holds the record of 11 wins and 1 loss. He had to suffer his first and only loss in his last fight against Derek Brunson, and now he is returning in his better form. Shahbazyan has never been in a boring fight and his just one fight went through a decision, which was back in 2018. So if you are a new UFC fan, then I hope you enjoyed the video and will enjoy these fights more after knowing these details. If you wanna see more on this channel, you know what you're supposed to do. So goodbye, we will meet in the next video.